Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can make money from home by designing book or magazine covers. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoy today's episode. Let's get to it. Welcome to the show. I hope that you enjoy this one because it's something that many people really don't consider, but it is very simple to do and be able to make a nice amount of money. If you have programs like Photoshop or even Canva, Adobe, anything like that for graphics design, you can be able to start making money right now, today, by doing book or magazine covers. It doesn't take much to design them, and you can make a nice, considerable profit from a very short period of work. If you have these programs, you can start today by designing paperback books or hardcover books. You can design the magazine covers and ebook covers. It's something that can be done very simply and quickly on your computer, and then you can sell those to your customers at a nice profit. You can also offer these services on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Rev, and Upwork, LinkedIn, and on social media. There are a number of groups on Facebook where a designer has their own community group to where people can go in and see their previous works that they've sold, interact with the designer, and get pricing information. They can also be more intuitive on the potential discounts that they might receive by being a group member and so on. It doesn't take much to do. If you don't have a program already, you can go on to canva.com and you can go on there, set up a custom page size for whatever size book the person is going to be having done, and then you can create the entire image and text in Canva. I myself designed my own book cover. If you're interested in purchasing a copy, I have a link down below in the description to where you can sign up for ordering, as well as being informed on any updates with the book and potential discounts that you may receive. I did all my design work in Canva, and it took me a very, very short period of time. You can do the same thing. I've seen people use Canva to design book covers for other authors, and they charge anywhere between $100 and $300 for a front cover, back cover, and spine, all matching each other in the color, the font, and everything else, ready for printing in various different formats, whether it's for a print book, a hardcover book, or an ebook. Depending on what all you need, depends on how much you're going to actually spend on something like that. But when it comes to you being the designer, you're the one that sets the price on the amount of time it is taking you for those images, or you can go by a case-by-case basis, and the customer can contact you for a quote. So I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down in the comments. If you've already been doing this, or if you're going to start doing this, let me know how you did with this as a income source. I'd love to hear about it. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.